Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Airtable. First, navigate to the Airtable website and sign up for a free account. You can use your email address or a Google account for quick registration. Once registered, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your central hub for all your workspaces and bases. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Many users find it helpful to begin with one of Airtable's pre-built templates to get a quick understanding of how bases and tables are structured. This provides a solid foundation for your own projects. Now, let's create your very first base. A base is essentially a database for a specific project or workflow. On your dashboard, look for the Add a Base button, usually represented by a plus sign. You can choose to start with a blank base or select from a wide array of templates. Give your new base a descriptive name, such as marketing campaign or content calendar, to ensure clarity. Finally, personalize it with a unique color and icon. This helps you quickly identify it among many bases. Within each base, you'll find tables, which are like individual sheets in a spreadsheet. By default, Airtable provides a primary table. You can rename this table and add more as needed. The real power comes from customizing your fields. Click on the header of any field to rename it or change its type. Airtable offers over 20 different field types, including single select, multiple select, attachments, dates, and formulas. Choosing the correct field type ensures data integrity and unlocks powerful automation possibilities for your workflow. With your tables and fields set up, it's time to populate your base with data. Simply click into any cell and begin entering your information. Airtable truly shines with its flexible views. Beyond the standard grid view, you can create calendar views for deadlines, Kanban views for project management, or gallery views for visual assets. Each view can be customized with filters, sorts, and groups, allowing you to focus on precisely the information you need. This flexibility helps you visualize and manage your data in the most effective way possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.